Who's this fucker? Ew, close your legs. Do you have a gym booty like the ones that don't move? It looks stiff, no disrespect. I don't know, man, what the fuck you guys talking about, but hope you fucking have a non-blast day ever, bitch. Roxanne. Roxanne. What happened? What happened? You trying to say something? You don't own me. Rodeo. Like a rodeo, like a rodeo. I didn't need nigga to control me. I didn't need nigga to control me. I do not nigga. I do not need nigga. Oh my god. Why is your name Rob? And you still join on July 7, 2023. Huh. Who is this fucker? I wanna see your butt in top of mine, nigga. Right now we gon' waste some time, baby, nigga. I love word nigga actually. It's cool. Nigga! It's also used in Korean to say you. Nigga? Nigga? This mean, are you nigga? You know? uh, these haters, they keep hating me, but yet motherfuckers still watching me. You know what I mean? And follow me too. What up, my nigga? Right, Leon? Oh my god. Nigga has said life. Gym booty. Do you have a gym booty? Like the ones that don't move? It looks stiff, no disrespect. Cause you're new, man. My OG knows how jiggle it is when I shake it with some effort, okay? I don't really want to show it. Cause you ain't know my fans, bitch, but you will. Oof. No care? I knew it! I fucking knew it! He can't do it! Alright, we get married next year, okay? Oh my god! Where have you been? I want you to be happy on your birthday. Of course, honey, of course. En serio? Act like you don't know. Act like you're surprised. En serio? Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah! Let's celebrate again. And I want. This is so perfect. Find a man like that, and I found it. Find a man like that. Man. Bad girls like you. Udah, kau selesai berak.
Udah.
You are unforgettable.
Kau tahu di mana gak pantai kayu putih itu?
Cara Google, pantai.
Iya.
Pantai apa?
Kayu putih. Aku nyari udah sampai tuh 4 menit lagi.
Untuk apa?
Gak ada, aku nak main kan. Malah buntu anjir. Pantai apa yang biasa di Rawa ya?
Yeah. Look, all niggers. This movie. I mean, video clip. Since I've been with you. Ooh.
Mana? Pantai?
Udah mau gak? Apa? Oh iya ya.
Anu gendong.
Kenapa tuh kamu udah mau minum?
Sama aja anjir.
Salah deh kan, Ben. Sosialisasi aja.
Bye.
Bye.
Ayo, ayo.
Bye.
Bye.
Enak bensin ya? Bensin.
Kami sih.
Kasih.
Ganti kemuliaan Tuhan, bangkit.
Bye bye.